The ROKR owl clock. Let me move this to get the reflection out of there. Ordered this kit off of Amazon, and it was on sale. It was returned, and it had some damage done to the box. So I got it for like, I think 10 bucks. I think I got it about 2 years ago. I was even thinking of giving it away as a gift, but after I made the Thompson submachine gun, I decided, well, that's kind of a neat kit. I think I'll build it. So that's what I went ahead and did. And you can see, like, right here is the damage that was on the box. Nothing was damaged in the box, so it was okay. The actual clock is battery powered, one of those AA battery powers. And you have those clips on the top. They release the front plate that then you can change the battery when it needs to be changed after it's dead. And then on the back of it is the mechanical timer that goes for about 30 minutes, and then it rings a bell that you wind up on the left. You set the dial for whatever time you want, up to about 30 minutes. This is the key that you use to wind the spring up that drives the timer clock. And this wooden key winds up the spring that rings the bell. Here you can see the bell and the spring that drives it. And that's the spring that drives the clock. I set it for 5 minutes, but through the magic of editing, it's now at 2 minutes. Time's almost up, ready to ring. It'll scare the crap out of you when it goes. All in all, it's a really nice kit, and the clock's pretty accurate. I set it to my atomic clock, and it stays right in line with it. So, it's nice to have an analog clock on my desk. This kit is rated as a 4 out of 5 stars in difficulty of build. Not really too difficult if you've built one before. The instruction book is, good size, and it's laid out well and very easy to follow on the builds. Also, just like the Thompson submachine gun kit, the wax is not included, so I used the same candle that I got for my wife that I built the Thompson with. The pieces are easy to pop out, and there's not that many sheets as there was in a Thompson submachine gun kit, so it's a little easier to get to them. Matter of fact, a lot of them were just falling out that I had to kind of put back in and keep them straight. They also give you the little bushings that kind of hold the axles into place, and all the other little parts that go to making up the clock. And there's the wax candle. There's a lot of putting wax on all the gears in this kit, so that was quite tedious. I enjoyed building this clock more than I thought I would, and it's nice to have an analog clock on my desk. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.